Let's be real for a second. Your car's engine is basically the heart of your vehicle. And just like your body needs clean blood to function, your engine needs clean oil to survive. Yet, here's the shocking truth. Millions of drivers are literally killing their engines without even knowing it. Not because they skip oil changes altogether, but because they make some really stupid mistakes during the process. And trust me, these mistakes aren't small. They can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, or even force you to buy a whole new engine. So, if you want your car to last longer, perform better, and save you from nasty repair bills, stick with me until the end of this video, because we're breaking down the 10 stupid oil change mistakes that could completely destroy your engine. And before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful car care tips that can save you money, headaches, and your vehicle. Number 10. Skipping regular oil checks between changes. Here's the grand final mistake. Assuming that once you change the oil, you can forget about it until the next interval. Wrong. Engines can burn oil, leak oil, or even consume more than usual if there's a problem. If you're not checking your oil level every few weeks, you might not realize you're running low until the warning light flashes. And by then, it's usually too late. Make it a habit. Check your oil level at least once a month, even between changes. That simple habit can be the difference between a healthy engine and a dead one. Number 9. Using cheap or fake oil. Bargain hunting at shady auto shops or gas stations might feel like a win, but counterfeit oil is a real problem. Fake oils don't meet the same standards, and some are basically recycled junk. They break down fast, fail under heat, and offer little to no protection. Even legitimate cheap oil often lacks the additives your engine needs for long-term health. Saving a few bucks now could mean spending thousands later on a new engine. Always buy oil from trusted brands and authorized retailers. Number 8. Not warming up the engine before draining. Cold oil is thicker and clings to the engine. If you change your oil without warming up your car first, you're leaving behind sludge and dirty oil that mixes with the fresh oil. That defeats the whole purpose. Running the engine for just 5 minutes before draining helps the oil flow out completely, carrying all the dirt and debris with it. Skipping this step is like sweeping a floor but leaving half the dirt in the corners. Number 7. Forgetting to check the oil level after the change. This might sound silly, but you'd be shocked how many people forget to actually check the dipstick after pouring in new oil. Maybe you poured too little, maybe too much. Either way, you're in danger. Too little oil and your engine runs dry. Catastrophic damage. Too much oil and the crankshaft starts whipping it into foam, reducing lubrication and building pressure that can blow seals. Always double check with the dipstick after you finish. It takes 2 seconds and can save you thousands. Number 6. Mixing different oil brands or types. Oil isn't just oil. It's a cocktail of additives, detergents, and chemicals that work together to protect your engine. Mixing different oils, especially synthetic with conventional or different brands, can mess with the chemical balance and reduce performance. It's like mixing random medicines. You don't know how they'll interact. Sure, topping up with a different oil in an emergency won't kill your engine, but consistently mixing different types is asking for trouble. Stick to one oil type, and if you switch brands, make sure you're doing a full oil change. Number 5. Not tightening enough. On the flip side, some people don't tighten enough. A loose filter or plug can cause slow leaks, and over time, your engine oil level drops without you noticing. The next thing you know, your engine is starved of oil, overheats, and fails. Both over-tightening and under-tightening are disasters waiting to happen. The sweet spot is following the recommended torque or good old-fashioned hand tight plus a small turn. Number 4. Over-tightening the oil filter or drain plug. Here's another stupid mistake. Cranking down the filter or drain plug like you're tightening bolts on a rocket ship. Over-tightening can strip threads, crack components, or cause the rubber gasket on the filter to deform, leading to leaks. And when oil starts dripping out, you might not know this until your engine is running dry. Remember, snug, not superhuman tight. Most filters only need to be hand tightened with a little extra turn, and the drain plug should be secure, not torqued to oblivion. Number 3. Forgetting to replace the oil filter. This one is shockingly common. People drain the old oil, pour in new oil, and completely forget about the filter. But guess what? That filter's job is to trap dirt, debris, and sludge so it doesn't circulate back into your engine. Reusing an old, dirty filter is like taking a shower and then putting on the same sweaty clothes you wore yesterday. Pointless. Worse yet, a clogged filter can restrict oil flow, starving your engine of lubrication and causing catastrophic wear. Always replace the oil filter with every oil change. It's cheap insurance for your engine's health. Number 2. Using the wrong type of oil. All motor oils are not created equal. Yet so many drivers think any oil on the shelf will do. Big mistake. Engines are designed with specific oil grades in mind, like 5W30, 0W20, or 10W40. These numbers aren't random. They determine how the oil behaves at different temperatures. Use the wrong type, and your engine might not get proper lubrication when cold or may run too thin when hot. Even worse, newer engines often require synthetic oil. If you cheap out with conventional oil when synthetic is recommended, you're shaving years off your engine's life. Always check your owner's manual and stick to the oil your car was designed for. Number 1. Ignoring the oil change interval. One of the dumbest mistakes drivers make is simply waiting too long between oil changes. Your engine oil isn't immortal. It breaks down over time, losing its ability to properly lubricate moving parts. When that happens, friction builds, metal grinds against metal, and your engine slowly eats itself alive. Here's the thing. Every car manufacturer has a recommended oil change interval, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for modern cars, but sometimes sooner depending on your driving conditions. Ignoring this advice is like playing Russian roulette with your engine. If you're the type who says, I'll do it next month, you're setting yourself up for engine sludge, overheating, and possibly a total engine replacement. There you have it, the 10 stupid oil change mistakes that could kill your engine. From ignoring the change interval to using the wrong oil, forgetting the filter, or not checking your level afterward. These mistakes might seem small in the moment, but can lead to massive damage. Your car is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and protecting your engine should be a top priority. Think about it. Spending an extra 10 minutes doing your oil change properly can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let me ask you, are you guilty of making any of these mistakes? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more money-saving car tips. Take care of your oil, and your engine will take care of you.